So this video, I'm going to be going over the benefits of having a good hobby. Coming up next. Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the benefits of having a good hobby. Now this is a little different than what I usually cover. The reason why is I know a lot of people are, it's a new year, new you, and definitely you want to have a hobby or a new type of hobby to add on to your lifestyle. Now the great thing about having a good hobby is a big stress reliever. Now nowadays life is really more stressful than it was back in the 50s and 60s. There's more things to worry about, there's more bills you have to worry about, there's a lot of crime. So things change so much now where everything is so stressful. And that's where a good hobby comes involved, where a lot of people tend not to choose to have a hobby. They usually just watch TV and use watching TV as their hobby. Now this is a great idea, but it's not really too beneficial to yourself because one, it causes laziness. Two, you're just really breaking up bad habits. Now when choosing a hobby, it could be choose from many types of different things. There's all about working out, there's hiking, there's running, there's arts and crafts, there's different types of hobbies you could do where, might be paper airplanes, model planes, model cars, scrapbooking, photography, videography, YouTube. So there's different types of things you can actually do as a hobby. When choosing a hobby, you want to make sure that you're choosing something you're actually really interested in. Now, for instance, let's say you choose photography. Now, photography is a great hobby, and this can open many doors to different type of careers later on. But just to get your feet wet, you want to make sure you're enjoying it. Even though you might not have a really expensive camera or any idea what to shoot. And the beautiful thing is you're just starting. You're just doing it for fun. And that's the main thing about a hobby. You're doing it for fun. If you're shooting random pictures of people, or you're shooting random pictures of bugs, grass, sceneries, buildings, different things can mean different things to other people. Now, with this being said, like I said, you're going to start from nowhere. So learning from taking pictures from maybe from your cell phone all the way to eventually maybe investing into a better camera, better software, better development pictures. So there's different things you can actually do to develop your hobby. But remember, this is all for a stress reliever, just to get your mind away from the TV, away from being at home. This is actually to get you going out a little bit more. So that's pretty much what I have for you today. So I kept it real short because I'm trying something a little different now. I'm trying to choose a topic per week and I'm trying to break it down, how the benefits of everything and how you could benefit the most. But other than that, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.